What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name's Jay. Today we're going to be going over how to install the Diode Dynamics SS3 LED fog light kit. Alright, tools we're going to need for this install. You're going to need a drill. I'm just going to use my impact driver. For my impact driver, I have my drill bit adapter with a T15 Torx attached to it. And for tightening up the fog lights, once we get them inside the brackets, we're going to need a 4mm Allen.
You're a guilt trip, feeding me with all these lies. I feel sick. You're a bad choice that I made 5 years ago at some party in New York. Are you texting me to tell me that I'm shit? Why are you still going on about things I never did? Maybe you can't see that I'm hard to hold. I know I'm a basket case you think should be alone, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep.
Okay, so to start the install, what you're going to need is your SS3 LED fog light, and then on the side you have an opening here and an opening here. The kit comes with two nylon locking nuts. So you go with the nylon side facing inwards. You're going to go ahead and put that into one of the holes here on the left and right sides. It should just sink down just like that. So those are in there. And then using our bracket, this will eventually clip into the truck's housing. We're just going to come down over like that. And then using the washer and one of the 4mm Allens, we're just going to go ahead and make that finger tight for now. And we're honestly going to leave this finger tight until we get a chance to align the headlights. The next thing we want to do is remove the T15 screws from here, 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 and then the 3 across the bottom. So we're going to have 6 T15 screws to remove on each side.
Said that they don't got a future like burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow.
Okay, so now that we've removed the 3 T15 screws holding on the fender lining, we're going to start removing some of this trim up front here. So this front trim plate needs to be removed from the front, and then this plastic housing here that's behind it we'll actually reach from the inside and take that out from the inside. So like I said, let's start with this outer piece. Okay, so this is what the back of the fog light housing looks like. Obviously, here's the LED bulb. So in order to finish taking off that front plate, there's a clip here that we're going to have to squeeze in on and then push out. Clip down here, a clip down here. Let me move that out of the way, right where my finger is tapping. You can't see it. Move this out of the way. Right here, that clip, and then I'm pretty sure there's another clip over on the far side here, which we will try to find. It's over here. Yeah, I believe somewhere over here. We'll find it. But so we're gonna go ahead and take these three out. We're gonna squeeze these little pins here and push them through. Two things. One of the things I realized when I took the stock fog light off is that these two prongs that you see here, you actually want towards the top of the fog light housing. And then obviously the solo prong you want towards the bottom. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna take off these plastic caps here and transfer them onto the new fog light bracket. Just try to be gentle with it. Doesn't require a ton of force. One of the ways that you can line these up, you see it has a slit in it. You want to match that up with the slit running up and down on the front and back. So that's how you know you'll have it in the right spot. And boom, just like that. All right, so we can put those to the side and go ahead and put this into the fog light. So like I was saying, see how it's one prong at the bottom here, and then there's two at the top, so you just want to make sure your fog light lines up with that. Again, this is finger tight for right now because we're going to align and level all the lights. So we're going to aim all the lights later on, so I don't want this to be too tight for right now. So let's go ahead and feed that through. Line these up. Press them in, and boom, just like that. Okay, coming around the back again, just want to plug in the wiring harness. From what I understand is that this can be polarity sensitive, so we're going to plug them in before we do anything else. Just make sure they work before we go any further with the install.
Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now. Yeah, shut your mouth and kiss me in the parking lot, in the backseat. Don't dare to stop now. Just close your eyes and kiss me like you mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, shut your mouth and...
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this housing back on, and then we're gonna stop there for this side because I still, like I said, want to adjust the aiming on the fog light itself. So pretty simple to put this back in. You just want to line up these clips with where they go.
And I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice. We're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you like I mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you in the backseat, on the highway, in the taxi home. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. Just shut your mouth and...
All right, it's the next day. I've gone ahead and leveled the headlights and aimed the fog lights. So we should be good to go. The last thing we have to do is put on these trim pieces. In the kit, you're going to get two different sets of these trim pieces. So you're going to get the larger set, which is at the top of the screen here. And those are for the GMC Canyon. And then you're going to get a smaller set, which are obviously for the Chevy Colorado. And if you can't tell the difference just by the diameter of the trims here, is the Chevy Colorado ones have a flat top to them along this edge here, versus the Canyon ones are essentially round, kind of all the way around. So let's go ahead and throw these on the truck and complete the look. And then I'll get some driving footage for you guys to see a before and after of the difference that the Diode Dynamic SS3 fog light kit actually makes. When you're putting these fog light trims back on, you want to make sure that the flat piece for the Chevy Colorado is going along the top of the SS3 fog light housing. And these are just friction fits. They should just slide right on, just like that. That's it. We're done. Really simple. Should take you, maybe 20 minutes each side.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid,